Alaikum. Hello guys, hope you all are doing good. Eid al-Adha Mubarak to everyone watching this video. May Allah accept our sacrifices and bless us with good health. I'm not going to bore you guys with the same Eid routine vlog. This vlog is going to be a bit different because here I'll be sharing few creative things which I did for Eid. So without any further ado, let's quickly get into the video. I'm going to share some glimpse of a day prior Eid. So these are the bakras who were full on ready for the next day. Also, we made sure that we started our preparations a day prior. We made dessert and also we prepared ginger garlic paste, which plays a very important role when it comes to food preparation for Eid. In this video, I'm going to give shout out to 3 best Instagram pages which I have come across in recent days. So I got this beautiful Eid gift from one of the Instagram pages called WD Boutique, which is run by 2 sisters, and Tasneem being my very good friend, she sent me this Eid box which had ombre hijab along with magnetic hijab pins. She also sent me a beautiful sling bag along with face mask for this Eid, and I really loved the Eid package. I have mentioned their page link in the description box. Please do check out. They have very good collection of Indian ethnic dresses along with accessories. Then the second page on Instagram, which is my favorite, is Pickles by Batul. She has some amazing delicious pickle. They do it at home and they also dispatch throughout India. Please do check their page out. The next page which I came across is the henna artistry. She deals with organic henna cones, and also they have those organic henna cones kit. Their henna stain is really amazing. It's really good and I just love the flow. So please do check out. The links are there in the description box. These stencils are my very own product. Yeah, you can find them on my Instagram page, also creations. Again, link is there in the description box. The stencils are really amazing. If in case you want to know more about the stencils, I have already done a video on my channel. I'll mention the link on cards and also on description. Please do check out. So Eid is incomplete without applying henna on hands. So yeah, I also applied henna using stencils and I just loved the way it turned out. It hardly took some 5 to 10 minutes for me to complete design on both front and back side. That's it. It is really good for working women or busy mom or for a student, and it is reusable and affordable. So to check more, please watch the video. And this particular design I selected from the list of stencils which I had. So yeah, it really turned out well. I'll quickly show you what Zohan wore for Eid. So he wore this denim shirt along with jeans, blue colored jeans. And I usually prefer simple outfits for Eid al-Adha. So yeah, I wore this yellow color kurti and this skirt, yellow and white color skirt. It looks like a palazzo after you wear it. So this is a very good quality dress. Along with that, I got this chikankari cigarette pant and white dupatta. So the outfit itself was really amazing. I really loved it. The pattern was really nice and the skirt almost looked like a palazzo, and the material is really good. So I loved this outfit of mine. And then we offered namaz and we greeted each other. So this is my brother greeting Zohan. Zohan woke up very early and he was really sleepy, and this is my dad greeting Zohan. So he understood like it was a special day, so he was all prepared to enjoy. Our goat sacrifice was done and my brother had left to collect the meat. So meanwhile, I was planning to do meat packet decoration. So I took this dolly paper and I designed this Eid Mubarak a label on over the dolly paper, and this is how it looked like. I really loved how the way it turned out, and yeah, I made a reel on my page also creation and it was trending. I mean, we got a very good response, so thank you so much much, guys. If in case you haven't watched, please do go and check that out. And Zohan was so excited that he knew, like, what was happening, etc., etc. So he got this sheep 2 weeks prior Bakrid, and he was very much excited and was waiting eagerly to see what happens during Eid. And yeah, he has actually got that enough information, I guess. As my page on Instagram is all about creativity, I also did this beautiful Bakrid hamper, and this is how it looks like. So I decorated this meat bag. I also kept one chocolate box over the over the platter, and I decorated it with lace, and on top of it I just made it like a hamper. I covered it, that is, I wrapped it with net cloth, which we usually get as a part of decorative materials, and my hamper was ready, and I got really good compliment for this. Then we had our lunch, which was biryani. I did not cover much in the food part, because I really don't want to bore you guys, because in every home this is how the lunch routine will be. And Zohan was really enjoying the festival. He was jumping out of joy, and he never slept the entire day. And also cake is his favorite. So 2 days prior it was my brother's birthday, so we had a cake at home, and he was enjoying his cake meal. Then the kebab process started. So kebab also plays an important role during Bakrid. So yeah, mom was preparing kebab, and she allowed it to dry for some time as well. And later in the evening we visited one of our cousins' place and ended our Eid day. I really hope that you guys enjoyed watching this vlog. I made sure that I gave you something different in this vlog, rather than the usual Eid vlogs where all preparations etc. gets involved. So if you like the ideas of a meat decoration or the hampers, then please do mention in the comment section, and my next video is going to be really interesting. So please subscribe and stay tuned. Allah Hafiz.